Hello guys, my name is Kelly. Today I'm going to cook Ukrainian soup borscht. I've never done cooking videos before. This is my first one, so let's go. What we need for borscht? Main ingredient is beets. You can use fresh beets or you can use boiled beets. I will use both. Carrot, potato. You need any meat. You can use stew meat or drumsticks, onion, pepper, cabbage, tomato paste, and garlic, lemon juice, and sugar as at the end. First of all, we need to peel the beets. Now I need to grate beets. So we need to get this. Okay, I did it. I grated the beets. Now I have to put some water here. And then I'm going to boil it. I put half of water here, like this, and now I'm putting in drumsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put all, because this saucepan is really big. Okay, now I'm going to peel potato next. After the meat, we put potato here. Now we need to do this. On separate pan we put some grapeseed oil or any oil, and we are going to fry, actually to stew these ingredients: onion, carrots, peppers, and beets. First of all, I put onions here, 1 onion. And now I'm going to peel carrots. Onion and carrot is here, medium temperature. Everything should be in small pieces. Now I'm cutting pepper in squares like this. Now you should add pepper to pan, to our carrot and onion. Stir everything. And you can cover it. Okay, then we add our beets here. There is 3 big beets, but maybe it would be, maybe 2 would be enough. I think I will leave this for the next time. And we need to stir everything. I will cover it, and here is potato and drum. Now I should open tomato paste, pasta. I'm going to put tomato paste here. It should smell very good. It should smell like pepper, like onion, tomato. Now it's time for cabbage. This I throw away. We need only clear leaves and start to cut it very, very thin. It should be very thin, like this. Alright, after 10 minutes, after our soup is boiled here, I'm going to put this, everything from here, I'm going to put here. And it's if the water is not enough, I'm going to add more water. So it's going to be like soup, not like stew. Okay, I put everything here. You see it's red color. And the last ingredient I'm going to put is cabbage. At the end, when you put everything here, don't forget to add some salt. It's a very important process. And then you should leave it like that for about 1 hour. So very low fire, and leave it like that. Maybe you can see and try this soup. Maybe add some salt. Maybe I don't know. Add some water, and leave it like that for 1 hour. And then at the end, put some sugar. It depends how many the water here, but you can add some sugar, maybe 1 spoon, maybe half of spoon. It depends on your taste. If you never tried borscht, it would be hard for you to understand what taste it should be. But if you ever tried it somewhere, you can try and then add maybe salt, maybe sugar, and then lemon juice. It depends how many. Borscht should be tasty, not tasteless. So you can add different things to make it tasty. Well, see you in 1 hour, and I will show you how I serve it. Okay, the borscht is ready. Look, this is what color should be. The color depends on how much carrots and beets. Okay, how to serve it? You should add some sour cream. And lemon juice to add some acid, you know. I like to eat with garlic. You can add garlic in soup, but you can eat like this. Let's try. So good. Enough, everything. Everything is perfect. And here is meat, drumstick. Bon appetit, guys. I hope you will cook nice borscht. If you have any questions, ask in comments. And if you like this kind of videos, please let me know and I will do more. And please write me what kind of food dishes do you want me to cook for you on camera. That's it for today. Let me enjoy soup and bye bye!